In this video, I'm going to be taking Temu and Dollar Tree Gel X dupe products to see what we can accomplish. So the other time I was at the Dollar Tree, you guys know they carry so many nail products there, really good ones too, and I found these Gel X dupes and I decided to mix them with my Temu products.
But if you guys are interested in that video with the Dollar Tree DIY Gel X dupe, you do need to get some type of builder gel in a bottle so you could adhere this. I also just got the Kiara Sky little mini lamp. Because of this, I was like, I'm gonna need that little lamp for a lot of things, and because I thought about this video, I might do this for another video, so let me know.
All right, this is the present day. We are going to start the process of prepping the nails, removing the old acrylic product and taking a cuticle pusher to push back the skin to make sure that we remove any old skin that may have been growing out, and this is going to help us prevent all of the lifting. We're going to be taking a cuticle little drill bit. I am using my Melody Susie drill, and the bit is from Young Nails. Absolutely love that bit. But this is going to help better adhere that Gel X dupe we're going to be doing. The tips for this process is actually from the Dollar Tree, and the glues are going to be from Temu. So here you see me starting to remove the shine to better adhere the product that we are going to be adding, and I'm just using a sanding band to get rid of all that shine. All right, so right after this, we're gonna go ahead and cleanse the nails, and we're gonna go ahead and start measuring the tips to see which ones fit the best. You wanna make sure when you measure them that they fit sidewall to sidewall, they're covering the whole entire nail, and there's a little bit of space, so because you are gonna be adding that gel on there, it's going to need some space, so you don't want them too tight either. Just make sure they fit comfortably and they're not too tight or not overlapping and too big on the nail. All right, so now we can start going inside of the tip, taking the sanding band to buff inside of it to better adhere the tips to the actual natural nail. This is going to make sure that they don't slip off really easily. Now we can go ahead and dust them off, and we're going to take the products that we picked. These both are from Temu, and I'm going to take the one that's in the bottle, and this is the gel glue, and this is going to be our base. One thing I do regret not doing is adding the primer, but that's okay. They've been on for a couple days, so we're good over here. But I do advise you to use primer. They're going in the lamp for 1 minute to cure, and we're going to take the little gel or soft gel in a bottle and squeeze it out. And this was pretty hard, you guys. For me, I'm a acrylic specialist. I've never really messed with Gel X, so this was pretty new and interesting for me and fun, but it was hard. And you know, once things are hard, they get a little frustrating, but I'm very, very impressed with this technique. I actually absolutely loved it. And all I did was place the nail tip on top of the nail and squeezed it down just a little bit. But I found it squeezing out, and I did not want any contact dermatitis. So I basically made sure to clean that up first, because I did not want that going in like that. So we cleaned it up, we tried again, we added the gel onto the little tip and gently placed it on the nail and got it close to the lamp and squeezed it more down. Removed some of that gel on the sides because like I said, I don't want any contact dermatitis, nail allergies over here, but I put it in my little Kiara Sky lamp to cure. It really made it easy to go under it and everything, so I'm really glad I bought this a couple months ago. But here we are doing another one, and yes, it got easier as I went on, but I still felt not all the way comfortable, so I'm just gonna say it Basically, everybody downplays Gel X nail girlies, nail techs that do Gel X. I don't know why. This is not as easy as everybody thinks. It looks easy, and it is mostly for people that DIY their nails, which I think is great for people that DIY their nails. But honestly, if you know how to do this on other people, even on yourself, you're a pro and you're a badass, because this is not as easy as it looks. So leave the nail girlies that do Gel X alone. They are pros at the same time, or just as much as somebody that does acrylic and regular gel. But you see that on my thumb, it went under and I didn't want to cure it, but it was too late. I just tried to clean it up as much because I didn't want it on my skin. Curing that for a minute, out the lamp, and we're gonna start shaping it up just a little bit. I didn't want to keep it rounded, so I wanted to make sure my free edge was more on the sharper side. So this is where I was just focusing on the free edge, straightening it out and everything before I decided to go and do the gel polish. So that's all you're gonna see me do right here. Okay, we're gonna take the sanding band and we're gonna go around the cuticle or the skin to remove any gel that may have been squeezed out, or so that we can seal the cuticle as well. This is gonna help for longer lasting nails as well. Make sure you buff the nail before you add any gel, also so that it can stay on there a lot longer. And that's all we're doing here. We're gonna be doing this on every single nail. Okay, so we're going to be cleaning them up with a little bit of alcohol and a little napkin, and this is the color that I picked. These are both from Temu, very inexpensive. I think they were both under $1.50, and all I did is get this little applicator brush from Melody Susie, and I also have a coupon code for that. It is Laura15. Go ahead and go to Melody Susie and check them out. If you guys need to buy anything, there's a little coupon code for you guys. So besides that, I'm just applying the gel from the little pod, and I am dispersing it as much as possible. The gel is very, very chunky, so it is a little bit harder to maneuver and put on the nail, but we did do 3 layers of the color. It just depends on what you want it to look like, but I did cure all the layers for 1 minute. This is the second layer right here, and it starts to look more opaque. The color is really pretty. It's like a little bit of an AB iridescent effect glitter, and we're going to cure that as well for 1 minute. This is the one from the bottle, so this one is going to go on to the pointer, middle, and pinky, and I'm going to do about 2 layers of this color. I absolutely loved this color. I have multiple colors from them. I think I got a blue and like a green and a purple, something like that, but yeah, they're really pretty, have so much shimmer and glitter in this color, and I thought it was perfect because I wanted to do my little Hello Kitty inspired nail set. So this color is going on twice and into the lamp 1 minute. We're gonna add that second layer now, making sure that the product is getting on the sides, and be careful not to get it on the skin as well. Look at that second layer of color. For the pointer, we're just going to add this little squiggly design onto the pointer, and after that we are going to be adding some holographic chrome on it to give it a cool chrome effect with a little bit of 3D of a look to it. And I am sealing it so that when we add the 3D, it does adhere and spread on the nail properly. And sometimes if you don't do that, it's not going to adhere the way you want it to. It won't look chromy, it will look more like shimmery. So make sure you add a top coat, especially a tackless or tackless top coat. I'm going to add that at the tip of the pinky to create a little bit of an ombre. And we're going to start adding the charm with that same gem glue from a cart and placing my little Hello Kitty. I got these on Amazon, a bunch of them actually, and they have different colors, but I put it in the middle. How cute! And put it there for 1 minute to cure. Now we can go ahead and seal all of the nails. Look at that chrome. Oh my god, I love that nail. So what I did was add 2 layers of this actually, just to make sure, because it's so chunky, just to make sure it's sealed in properly. So the glitter nails actually got more of a top coat, and top coating the Hello Kitty to make sure it lasts longer. And that is what that looks like. Look how cute that little Hello Kitty is. Okay, in there for a minute and out for another coat of that top coat. I love this pink glitter, you guys, and I'm just going to reshape. Like I said, the glitters are pretty chunky, so it's going to help reshape the nails and not leave them look like not the best shape. I like my nails a little bit more crispier. And like I said, first time doing this Gel X or Gel X dupe, but look how they turned out. I'm very, very impressed, you guys, and the fact that they are still on my nails, I cannot even fathom. Like, I couldn't fathom how these would come out, and I'm so happy of how they came out. And I'm very, very shook of all of the gels from Temu. So I love that I did a Temu / Dollar Tree nail dupe of Gel X. I hope that you guys try this out. Let me know if you guys ever bought any of these items, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Bye guys.